As we age, our bodies go through many changes, and one of the most significant changes is the loss of muscle mass. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects millions of older adults worldwide, and it can lead to weakness, frailty, and a decreased quality of life. But here's the good news. The food you eat plays a critical role in slowing down or even reversing sarcopenia. Did you know that some everyday foods have the power to build muscle and help fight this condition? It's true, and no, you don't have to rely on bone broth or expensive supplements to do so. There are 5 foods backed by science that are not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong and healthy. Before we dive deeper, I'd love to hear from you. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more health tips designed specifically for adults like you. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 powerful foods that can help you fight sarcopenia and build muscle. Let's get started. Number 1. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. When it comes to building muscle, protein is your best friend. As you age, your body's ability to synthesize protein slows down, making it even more important to consume high-quality protein sources. Greek yogurt is one of the best choices you can make. Why? Because it's loaded with protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains about double the amount of protein, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to preserve or build muscle mass. Studies show that consuming protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt can help older adults maintain muscle strength and function. In fact, one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming dairy-based proteins after exercise increased muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Additionally, Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, which support gut health. And if your gut is healthy, your body is better able to absorb the nutrients it needs, including those important for muscle health. It's a win-win. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. And we know that strong bones are just as important as strong muscles, especially when fighting sarcopenia. To incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet, try adding it to smoothies, topping your fruit with it, or simply enjoying it with a drizzle of honey. It's an easy, delicious way to boost your protein intake and support muscle growth. Number 2. Sardines, small but mighty. Sardines may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about muscle building, but these tiny fish are packed with everything your body needs to preserve muscle mass as you age. First and foremost, sardines are an excellent source of protein, which, as mentioned earlier, is key to building muscle. But they also offer something even more valuable: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting muscle protein synthesis. In fact, research has shown that omega-3s can help older adults maintain muscle mass, particularly when combined with resistance training. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation helped increase muscle strength and function in older adults, which is essential for those trying to combat sarcopenia. Sardines are also rich in vitamin D, which plays a significant role in muscle function. Inadequate vitamin D levels have been linked to muscle weakness and an increased risk of falls, so ensuring you get enough of this vital nutrient is crucial. These little fish are also an affordable and convenient source of nutrition. Whether you enjoy them straight from the can, add them to salads, or toss them on top of whole grain pasta, sardines can easily be incorporated into your diet. Number 3. Eggs, the complete protein. Eggs have long been considered one of the best sources of protein for muscle growth, and for good reason. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. Amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, and without them, it's nearly impossible to build or maintain muscle mass. For older adults, getting enough protein is especially important to prevent sarcopenia. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that higher protein intake was associated with a lower risk of sarcopenia in older adults. And eggs are one of the easiest ways to boost your protein intake. Beyond their protein content, eggs also provide other important nutrients for muscle health, like vitamin D and choline. Vitamin D helps support muscle function, while choline is essential for nerve signaling and muscle movement. The beauty of eggs is their versatility. Whether scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. They can also be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed as a snack. Number 4. Lentils, the plant-based muscle builder. Lentils are often overlooked when it comes to muscle-building foods, but they are a hidden gem, especially for those who follow a plant-based diet or want to reduce their meat consumption. Lentils are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that support muscle health. In fact, lentils provide about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, making them an excellent option for anyone looking to preserve or build muscle. Protein is crucial because it helps repair and grow muscle tissue, which is especially important as you age. But there's more. Lentils are also an excellent source of iron, which is necessary for the production of red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles, and adequate oxygen is vital for muscle performance and recovery. Studies have shown that low iron levels can negatively affect muscle function, so making sure you get enough iron is key, especially as you get older. Lentils are also rich in other nutrients like folate, magnesium, and potassium, each of which plays a role in supporting overall health, including muscle and bone health. Plus, the fiber in lentils helps keep your digestive system healthy, which is important for the absorption of the nutrients that contribute to muscle growth. To enjoy lentils, you can add them to soups, salads, or curries, or even make lentil-based veggie burgers. They are easy to prepare and can be a great addition to any meal. Number 5. Tempeh, the fermented protein powerhouse. Tempeh, a fermented soybean product, is a fantastic plant-based source of protein and one of the most nutritious options for older adults looking to maintain muscle mass. Fermented foods like tempeh offer a range of health benefits, including supporting gut health, improving digestion, and enhancing nutrient absorption. These benefits are crucial when it comes to muscle maintenance, as your body needs to effectively process the nutrients it's receiving. Tempeh contains about 15 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, making it a solid choice for muscle building. But what sets tempeh apart from other plant-based proteins is its high content of essential amino acids, which are critical for muscle recovery and growth. Unlike some plant-based protein sources, tempeh is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. What's more, tempeh is rich in iron, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for muscle health. It also contains calcium and magnesium, both of which are important for bone health, an area that often goes hand in hand with muscle preservation. Tempeh is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, stir-fry it, crumble it into tacos or salads, or even use it in soups and stews. Its firm texture makes it a great meat substitute for those who prefer plant-based options. Bonus tip: stay active with resistance training. While food plays a vital role in building muscle and fighting sarcopenia, it's important to remember that exercise is equally crucial, especially resistance or strength training. Incorporating simple exercises like bodyweight squats, resistance band workouts, or light weightlifting can help preserve muscle mass and improve strength. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who engaged in resistance training significantly reduced muscle loss and improved their overall physical function. Fiatarone et al., 1994. You don't need to lift heavy weights or spend hours in the gym. Even 20 to 30 minutes of light resistance training 2 to 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference. So make sure to combine these muscle-boosting foods with some form of physical activity. It's a powerful 1-2 punch for maintaining strength and vitality as you age. Conclusion. There you have it. 5 powerful foods that can help you build muscle, fight sarcopenia, and improve your overall health. Whether you prefer dairy, fish, eggs, or plant-based options, each of these foods provides essential nutrients that support muscle growth and repair. Remember, as we age, muscle maintenance becomes increasingly important for staying strong, independent, and healthy. By making small changes to your diet, like adding Greek yogurt, sardines, eggs, lentils, and tempeh, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to preserve muscle mass and function. This video was made after extensive research, and we've only touched the surface. If you want to dive deeper into the science behind these foods and muscle health, be sure to check out the links in the description for more detailed studies and resources. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us provide you with the best, most relevant information.